Special bus with us today. You know what that means? 2.5 TDI 5-cylinder. This was a 96 kilowatt bus with 340 newtons. However, that's not why it's here today. Let's take a drive and let me show you. Okay, so problem with this bus is that the brake light switch is faulty. That means we have no brake lights, and the other thing that happens is the speedo cruise won't be working. If we switch it on and do the setting, you will see that the speed decreases. Now, as soon as we replace the brake light switch, that problem will be fixed as well. The customer asks us why that is happening, and the reason being that because the speedo cruise is activated or deactivated as soon as you touch the brake light, the brake pedal, then it will decrease speed and will actually cancel the speedo cruise. We'll get this bus back into the shop, replace the switch, and then it will be fixed up again. Back in the bus after the repairs, if we now engage the cruise control and we set it, our bus is keeping speed. We can actually increase speed a little bit, and we can decrease speed. And our brake light or our brake light switch will cancel the speedo cruise. Perfect. Let's take it back to the shop.